Close her up. Well, this is pretty much the...
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be upgrading this little bad boy here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So let's remove the side panel. Should be quick. Okay, so we have here Pentium 4 630 with Intel stock cooler, 1 gig of RAM and 2 sticks, 160 gigabyte Western Digital drive, DVD drive and floppy drive, and PSU, which is 350 watts, and that's probably peak, so like 300 watts probably. Yeah. But first we need to turn this one off. Okay, good. Damn. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Still lighting, as you can see, we've got still LEDs. Okay. So now I can disassemble this thing. Unplug everything.
And take our cables from under the table. Oh. Well, okay. Oh, motherfucker. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Great. So that's it for this one. Let's take apart the second one. Oh, holy crap. We have use screw. That's pretty bad. That's a little problem. Okay, whatever. Gonna work this out somehow. Oh crap. Okay. Let me focus. God damn, I can't focus. Isn't focus. Probably, yeah. So focus. Let me add second camera here for that nice view of cables and so here we have our nice cables here. Oh, they don't want to come out. Okay. This is Ada, I think. IDE. No, it's screwed from the back too, god damn it. Okay, whatever. I will get there. Sorry. One screw here. God damn it. You probably can see that. Okay, I will take this apart and I will be back. Okay, we are back. The battery died, so... but whatever. Yeah, the last screw here, as you can see. Last screw. Okay, let's remove it and replace the components with better ones or newer ones. This will be super ghetto, so like, yeah, don't expect much from this video. If I had a better case, it would work like properly, but a pretty crappy case, so really don't expect much. Okay, so we will need to bend this. Yeah. Okay. So now I will take my new components. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we will need to take this down. That doesn't sound very good. Does it? Okay, this will be the worst video I ever made. It's probably will break my computer while I will be making this video. That will not be very good. At least not for me. Okay. Let's just mount this PSU there. But before that, we need to put these back in. Okay. I should probably get anesthetic back. Give me a second. Don't know where I put my anesthetic back. So a little update here. Electrical tape. Oh yeah. The best solution for putting motherboard in case. Just gonna take this. put it right here. It will look like shit, I know, but it works, so. And I hope nobody will see this ever. Okay. I'll take a bit more. Put it right here. Oh yeah. Put it bezel here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And this looks good. As you can see, I've put a little electrical tape here so we don't short circuit the motherboard. And now we can finally install our motherboard. But before that, we need the I/O sheet. So let's get that. Okay. Here we go. Brand new I/O shield. Box it real quick. Brand new. Nice, brand new. Okay. Ooh. Nice. Nice, looks good. Looks good. Okay. Put it back in the box. And continue building this epic computer here. Now we have a second camera shot here. So what we need to do now is make sure it's the right way up. So this thing goes up, this is down. Nice. Hope I don't scratch it because this looks very good actually. Okay, that is secured, this I think. Okay, let's put in our motherboard. Okay. Oh my gosh. I will destroy this thing. Probably in making of this video. I will cry. I will do this badly. Pretty sure I'm gonna destroy this. Okay, it's in. Need to screw it in. The memory. Screw that in like a boss. Hope this will be a bit quieter because it will be under my table. So I hope it will be quieter. Okay, nice. So can put these cables down there. That's in. What? Okay. Perfect cable management, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, final thing we need is the nice cable here. Oh yeah. Cable management from the gods. I know, guys. Okay, I think I will use the Asus. Don't know how it's called. What is a lie? Where is it? Here it is. This one. This thing here. This thing. Okay, so drive LED. The white one is the minus. At least I think so. Got no idea. Okay. Oh. Power. Like that. Reset. Like that. And we don't have LEDs. One LED for the hard drive, so power LED. So that's like that. Okay. God damn it, I can't put it in there. God damn it. Okay, I don't unplug this. Am I an idiot or what? Maybe I'm putting in the wrong way. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I'm plugging the wrong way. Damn it! Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Final thing is to screw the hard drive from the back. Okay. There we go, as you can see. You can't see because the cable is there. Okay. First screw, okay, secured. Second one. Now I mismatched the screws, but who cares? I care, but I can't find other screws, so meh. Oh, but look at aluminum. Oh, ho, ho. Or what is this? I don't really know. It looks good. Looks really good. Okay, let's put our back panel on. Not front, the side panel. Okay, turn it around. Oh, look at this beauty, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, let's check if we have connected everything properly. I think we've did it. Okay, so let's take it for the first bit. Take these boxes away. So we can put here our PC. Oh, this will take so much space. I will put it on the ground, so doesn't really matter for now. That's it. Anything else? Okay. Here are LEDs. Mouse is turned on dead. Oh, because okay, whatever. Oh, it's working. It's working. At least I think it's working. Guess we will see. Oh, it's working. Fuck yeah. Okay, it's working. It's fucking walking. It's fucking walking. Ho ho ho. Doesn't look that bad actually in the case. But we will close it because I want silence. Oh, that's much better. And I can still see the LEDs. Oh yeah. The little shitty fan. As it's scanning my drive, I don't know. Okay, but that's cool. That's cool.